Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. Look at how close these folks parked, but look at how close my boy parked next to me over here. I can't even be mad at him because he was very sweet about it, but oh no. We're good. All right. We're gonna go for a little cruise. And here we go. Oh my goodness. That person parked so close. Yeah, I had a long day. Long, frustrated day. Long, frustrating day. And now I'm going to DUCATI New York to try on a pair of shoes because in 2 days, I'm actually going to Alabama. I don't know why I'm trying to talk. I think I'm just gonna send it. There's no real reason to talk today. It's too hot. But yeah, I'm going to freaking Alabama in freaking 2 days, so yeah, I need some shoes because these have holes in them and they're freaking out. That was insane. I don't know what's wrong with me. I gotta calm down. I gotta calm down. My back's stacked out and the fucking madness. Come on. Come on, baby. Okay, let's stop being cranky. Yeah, I had a very frustrating day, and I'm like going through this transition. You know, I do accounting, and freaking I resisted this stupid bullshit QuickBooks online for so long, but the up top pulled the plug. So now QuickBooks Online it is, and the migration is a bitch. There's like thousands of unmatched transactions, and I don't know, man. I'm gonna spend some fucking weeks with this bullshit, that's for sure. So cranky about it. So cranky about it. I mean, whatever. It's just my job. That's the thing. I have to remember. Ooh, look at this brand new Jeep with someone. I have to remember that this is just my job. You know what I mean? This is not like I'm not birthing children here. And I'm going to Ducati to buy some Alpine stars. So it's like, so it's not like I'm doing God's work or anything. I'm just freaking enjoying myself. There's no reason to be cranky and all that when there's no reason to, you know? I don't understand how it's telling me it's gonna take me freaking 19 minutes. Ah, your mother. Ah, you son of a bitch. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. Bro, really? I've had enough. It's telling me it's gonna take me 23 minutes to go 9 miles. You're fucking bugging. You're fucking bugging. Family. Traffic is nuts and it's hot. It's all good. It's all gravy. Beautiful night ahead. I'm gonna meet up with some friends, drink a couple of beers, pack my luggage for tomorrow. My freaking rear tire didn't come in time, so I am pushing it with the rear. It's all good though. It's all part of it. Beautiful. What a bike. So yeah, I'm gonna try on these shoes, and if they suck, take it back to Williamsburg, fucking crack a beer and listen to an audiobook on my balcony for like an hour on my hammock. Dude, life is so good. Like, you know, it's easy to get stressed out, and I'm stressed out now, but like even this gridlock right there, the whole thing is a joke thing. It's a joke thing. Not gonna do this whole gridlock bullshit. It's not gonna work out like that. Ah, you motherfucker. is insane. That traffic was fucking gnarly. I'm going straight, baby. No, I'm going that way. Thank you, sir. There we go. Gorgeous. Oh my God. How is this fucking happening? About some shoes earlier, about some Jason? Yeah, exactly. They're probably going to be too small, but it's worth a shot. Yeah, you have to have these. Exactly. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's fucking warm out there, eh? Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Have a good day. Alright, ladies and gents, we're back.